You turn on your PC, ready to play or do some work, and suddenly, you're stuck on the login screen because you forgot your Windows password. No reset disk, no backup, nothing. And now you're thinking, do I have to reinstall Windows and lose all my data? Well, what if I told you there's a way to reset your Windows password in just a few minutes, without any disk, without reinstalling Windows, and without losing your files? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. So for this method, we're going to use a tool called PassFab for WinKey. Now don't worry, you don't need to be a tech expert for this. The whole process is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly. First, you'll need access to another working PC or laptop. From there, just go into the description and download PassFab for WinKey, then install it like a normal application. Once you open it, you'll see a clean and simple interface. The main goal here is to create a bootable USB drive, and this USB will basically act like a key to unlock your locked system. Now grab a USB drive and plug it into your working PC. Inside PassFab, select your USB device, then click on Next to start creating the bootable drive. What this does is it installs a special recovery environment onto your USB, so when you plug it into your locked PC, it can bypass the normal Windows login system. This process usually takes a few minutes, so just let it complete. Once it's done, your USB is ready to be used. Now take that USB and plug it into your locked PC. Turn on your system and immediately press your boot menu key, usually something like F12, Escape, or Delete depending on your motherboard. From there, select your USB drive and your system will boot directly into the PassFab tool instead of Windows. This is the key step because now you're accessing your system without needing the password at all. Once the tool loads up, it will automatically detect your Windows installation. Now here's where it gets really simple. You'll see different options like remove password, reset password, delete account, or even factory reset Windows directly from the lock screen. So if you just want access back, select your user account and click remove password. Within a few seconds, the password is completely removed. No command prompts, no complicated steps, nothing. And if your system is completely broken or you want a fresh start, you can use the factory reset option, which lets you reset Windows without even logging in. It's basically like unlocking a door without needing the key. After that, just restart your PC and remove the USB. Now when your system boots up again, you'll go straight into Windows without any password. No data loss, no reinstall, no stress. Everything stays exactly the same, except now you have full access again. And honestly, this saves you hours compared to reinstalling Windows from scratch. Now if you want to try it yourself, you can visit the official PassFab for WinKey website. Link is in the description. On the website, you'll find detailed information about how the tool works, supported Windows versions, and all the features it offers. They also have a full step-by-step guide if you want extra help, and sometimes they run discounts and special offers, so make sure to check that out. And the best part is, you can download it for free and see how it works before making any decision. So, yeah, if you ever forget your Windows password, you don't have to panic anymore or think about reinstalling everything. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to get back into your system in just a few minutes. Go check out the link in the description, download it, and try it yourself. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more guides like this, and I'll see you in the next one.